Today we are going to unbox this mini printer. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. So let's open and see what we get in the package. So once you open your package, as always, you have your user guide, user manual. You can go through and see how it works. So this is the main unit, and you have three different roles for the printer. So you can see, let's open this over here. So once you open the package, you can see how nice looking, very small unit. So it takes thermal paper here. You would just open this. Let's go ahead and do that. You open this and just take out the paper stuff here, just like this, and you would place it, I believe, like this, and you just press and hold to activate, and you will see it will activate. And you download the application. There is an application. Once you download the application, you can go through and just print a bunch of stuff like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but this is what you get once you open your package. You get three different rolls, and you have your main printer, and this is thermal printer, so don't expect to get anything color with it. So it's gonna be black and white, so that's how it is. So let's go ahead and make a pictures. As you can see, I just started printing another one. You can see it looks really nice, really sharp. You can see really, like, even the smallest details like this. Very nice printer. As you can see, printed bunch of different stuff, and they look really nice, and provides really good sticker. So you can just print, you can make anything custom, you can use your pictures from your gallery. So overall, really nice looking printer. I hope you guys found this useful.